Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we will solve the last problem on division. Here the divisor is 7 and it has only one digit. So you have to consider one digit of the dividend from the left. Here the number considered is 1 which is less than the divisor 7. Hence, you cannot divide. Therefore, keep 0 in the quotient and consider the next digit also for the division. Now, the number considered is 14, which is greater than 7. Hence, you can divide. 7 2s are 14. You got 0 as the remainder. Next, after subtraction, bring down only one digit from the dividend. So, bring 0 here. Now, the number formed is 0, which is less than the divisor 7. Hence, you cannot divide. Therefore, keep 0 in the quotient and bring down the next digit. Here, bring down 3. Now, the number formed is 3, which is again smaller than the divisor 7. Hence, you cannot divide. Therefore, keep 0 in the quotient and bring the next digit down. So, bring 8 down here. Now, the number formed is 38, which is greater than the divisor 7. Hence, you can divide. So, 7 5s are 35. You got 3 as the remainder and 2005 as the quotient. Got it? Observe here, in the first step you have divided 1 and 4. In the second step you have divided 0, 3 and 8. So, you have divided all the digits of the given dividend. Hence, you can say this division is completed. So, what is the conclusion? Compare to consider the next digit. Compare to divide. Divide when the divisor is less than or equal to the number. Compare to keep 0 in the quotient. And divide all the digits of the dividend to complete the division. Got it? Okay, this is all about long division and its rules. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about divisibility rules and their applications. Please stay tuned with me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths, and also please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.